Hello guys, this is 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫, your lab supplying channel. So today we are visiting this market. As you can see, they have a lot of Caterpillar here in this market. So we are sourcing this Caterpillar for our client. So as you can see, we are looking for this one 325D. This is what the client asked for. So we are here to check the quality, also check the engine, check everything about this market, and also see whether it's meeting the client requirement. So guys, if you want to buy this type of excavator here in China, feel free to be in touch with us. So we make a little tour of the of this market. As you can see here, everything you use second hand. You can see they have a lot of second hands here. So we are checking. So here there is they have what number is this one? This is 320D. They have also this one. This one is also good. We did business with this one last time. This is very good. This one is good, right? So guys, once you come to buy, you make sure to open here and check also the engine. Check everything. Check the battery. If our client need this type of excavator, what we're gonna do, we ask the supplier to change the batteries. This is the first thing. And also we're gonna bring one mechanic guy, one technician. He'll come to do some inspection before we ship it, because it's very important. It's very important to buy something with working. You know that, because you are spending money, this is an investment, so we take care of your investment. So guys, like this. So guys, we make a sure, if you want to buy any excavator in China, feel free to be in touch with Easy Trade Africa. Let's go. 情况就拜。喂，对，大人来吗？我不求。
马上到了。
OK，他马上到了。这个很多是吧？
你看这边。
要从这里到那边吗？OK，我去看一下。所以这个都是二手是吧？
对。
Okay guys, we are checking with my guy, so he's taking care of this one. So as you can see, there is a lot. As you can see, we have this one. I think they have a lot of brands. This one, I don't know, but the client this time is looking for Caterpillar, this brand. So we are checking all over. It's very cool. So 请问你们这边有 𝐷7H 吗？
𝐷7H 没有。
也 𝐷7H 应该有吧？没有啊。
但是我
Okay guys, you can see we are looking for 𝐷7H. Here there is a 𝐷4C. So we are still looking for what the client asked for. 谁怀孕了？
我说这口他好胖啊，
吃得饱。
71的。大气好。哥哥过来，大气都胖。Okay. So here they have this one also. Let's give it. 哦，这上去滴什么？就是 SD 啊。啊，就是原的。
没有3尾，但是有39。
39。啊，有349。OK。So。
让他们报价。
对。
这几几年的？
是22年的吗
22年。
他签22年的。
22年 ，OK。 哦，这个。
这个是，这个是多少？哦。
I mean, OK， 往前走。
这是翻新的吧？是23年的。
Yo guys, as you can see here, you know, the receive is like this. So as they know how to work on it, you know, they work on it, they change everything they're supposed to change, and they work also on the engine to make the engine like usable or workable, and then they change also the paint and then make it okay. After that, I believe if you come here in a week or two, this one will be very like a new one. So this is what they do here. As you can see the process here, you know, it's a little bit dark. I don't know whether you can see, but you can see the process here, you know. Here they work on it, they check the engine, they also open the engine, they work on it, and after a while they will change the tire, also they will change the paint, you know. It's mixing the paint, I mean, to match the right color of the excavator. You can see it's very big. So the whole team is like this. They work every day to make everything like you want, you know. This is very good. So guys, they receive it like this. So they work on it every day. So this place is very huge. It's very big. It's very big. They have a lot. They have any brands you need. If you want a Caterpillar, they have it. If you want like a Chinese brand, they have it. If you want a Japanese brand, they also have it. So here you can see what they are doing. Like here, you can see, yeah, they are fixing everything, all the details. Yeah, they fix all the details here. Also here you can see this. I think here is very interesting. Here they wash it, you know. They wash it before they put the paint on it. You know, they wash it. They even remove everything, any part of that, and then put some chemical thing to clean it very well.
Rusted. Yeah, rusted iron.
Okay. So guys, it's washing. So I think it's deep wash. Yeah? So you take this thing to wash it. Okay, Shane. Okay, I think it's great. Okay, take it off. Okay. So you can see they're walking like this. Okay. You can see here, this is the engine. Okay, guys, you can see this is the engine. See, so guys, this is the engine. So when they receive the engine like this, they will open it piece by piece, like what that guy is doing, and they will work on it. They will change everything that there must be changed. They will change everything. All the pieces will be changed, and this engine will work as a new one. So guys, this is very good. So you can see here they have a lot. You can see here they have a lot. Like, yes, this is the part. They have a lot of parts. So it's very good. So they take the part from the old one, also the new one, and they can create also the part the client need. So guys, it's also interesting. Darker. 我就发现no no。
这些，我就不知道。我能问一下。
这些车是你们自己要卖的还是？
这是卖的。
Oh.
They also sell this one.
Sand truck. So they also have a sand truck here. This is 317. 371, sorry.
Yeah, this is the one that.
回来了，回来了。
Okay, this is good. 371.